Hello knowledge enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how the black gold we call oil is actually produced? It's not as simple as just drilling a hole and watching the oil gush out. Oil, the lifeblood of our modern world, powers our vehicles, heats our homes, and even helps create the plastic products we use every day. The process of oil production is a complex dance of technology and geology that begins hundreds, sometimes thousands of feet beneath the Earth's crust. Oil production is indeed a fascinating process that starts deep beneath the Earth's surface. The first step in oil production involves the exploration of potential oil wells. This phase is much like a detective story, where geologists play the role of detectives, piecing together clues from the Earth's crust to locate hidden reserves of black gold. The exploration process begins with geological surveys. These surveys study rock formations, looking for patterns and structures that suggest the presence of oil or gas. Next comes seismic analysis, which uses sound waves to create a detailed map of the underground formations. Once a potential reservoir is found, it's time to bring in the drilling rigs. These massive machines bore down into the Earth's crust, sometimes several kilometers deep, in search of oil. The process of drilling is complex and requires a combination of technical expertise, advanced machinery, and a bit of luck. After the well is drilled, it's time to bring the oil to the surface. And that, my friends, is the thrilling tale of unearthing the black gold. Extracting the oil from the ground is just the beginning. Once we've tapped into these ancient reservoirs of black gold, the real work begins. The extraction process is a marvel of engineering that uses pressure to coax the oil to the surface. In some cases, heat or chemicals may be used to make the oil flow more easily. But what we get from the ground isn't immediately usable. This crude oil is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, and it needs to be refined. Refining is a process that removes impurities and separates the oil into its different components. Each component has its own uses, from gasoline for our cars to heating oil to the raw materials for plastics. Once refined, the oil doesn't stay put. It's transported to distribution centers around the world. From there, it makes its way to gas stations, factories, and homes. It powers our cars, heats our buildings, and forms the basis of countless everyday items. And that, in a nutshell, is how the oil beneath our feet powers our lives. Let's summarize the key points about the oil production process, shall we? It begins with the exploration of potential oil fields. Then comes the drilling phase, where we dig deep into the earth. The third step is extraction, pulling the crude oil to the surface. And finally, the refining stage, where the crude oil is transformed into useful products like gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. Oil production is a complex process that helps fuel our world. And now you know a little more about how it all works. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Till then, goodbye and take care.